In this video, I will teach you how to make people addicted to you, ensuring that everyone enjoys your company, constantly thinks about you even when you are apart, and feels compelled to reach out and stay connected. The first rule is based on the scarcity principle. People will only become obsessed with you if you are not fully available to them, as we humans naturally take things for granted once we have complete access to them, much like how a once beloved possession can become ordinary. To make someone addicted to you, you must create a fear of losing you by maintaining a balance between being present and being distant. Never let people fully understand or predict you, as mystery keeps their interest alive. You should be unpredictable, surprising them with kindness one moment and making them wait the next, which leaves them constantly thinking about you. Furthermore, distinguish yourself from the crowd through your unique style, speech, and presence, as people are naturally drawn to those who stand out. While it is important to connect with people emotionally, make them laugh and spend time with them. You must ensure you do not become cheap or easily accessible, so that they crave your presence and replay memories of you in their minds even when you are gone. Finally, the ultimate secret is to make people feel truly good and important when they are with you, because human beings are inherently self-interested and will consistently seek out those who make them feel positive, creating a natural addiction to your company.